Hi guys, welcome to my channel again. Today we are harvesting our pepper. We call it tatashe here in our local parlance. It's very hot, adds spice, and it adds a lot of color to your meals, and it also adds flavor to your meals. We have a lot of them that are ripe for harvest here, and we have some that are also not ripe for harvest. This is our urban farming, and we do this within our urban setting to get what we eat that is organic and grown at home in our home garden. Farming within our compound is just a home gardening that we do, and we had quite a lot of harvest. Now look at the harvest that we have here, quite a lot, and this is just a little out of what we harvested today. Thank you for watching. Subscribe. See you later. Bye.